Hello and welcome, and thank you for your interest in the BeCalm products. My name is Aaron Fleischman, and I'm a product engineer with BeCalm. This informational video will demonstrate the BeCalm system components and how it works. But before we show the actual BeCalm product, let's take a look at a quick overview of the BeCalm system. The BeCalm system is a noise control intervention device that was developed for individuals with hypersensitivities to noisy and loud environments, in particular for individuals on the autism spectrum or with ADHD. The system utilizes mainstream personal electronics to deploy specially designed audio tracks and works by blocking out distracting noises while providing a calm listening environment at the same time. Unlike typical white noise or other noise cancellation tools, AudioSedation is an assistive technology optimized for any environment. The tracks feature not only soothing natural sounds, but also the key noise control components that are invaluable for optimal performance with this specific audience. The four audio tracks are Spring Rain, Summer Forest, Sunday Drive, and Tropical Beach. While an educational setting is a natural place for use, the BeCalm system is a versatile accommodation and can be used most anywhere and for many situations. So now let's take a look at the product itself and see how it works. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will use the BeCalm GP. When you receive your BeCalm system, it will come packaged in this carrying case. The carrying case is a safe and durable place to keep your BeCalm system when not in use. To open the carrying case, simply press these two tabs located under the handle. When you press the two tabs, the case will open as such. Once opened, you will see all the components to the BeCalm system. The BeCalm system consists of a preloaded MP3 player, USB charging cable, earbuds, and headphones. Depending upon if you have the BeCalm system for youth or adult, the headphones may be different. If you have the youth system, the headphones will look like this. These headphones are designed for youth. They're a little bit smaller in size, and they also have a volume limiter, which helps keep the volume at an 85 decibel level maximum. If you have the adult size headphones, these are sized for adults, but also the youth who prefer a little bit larger size headphone. One point of reference with the adult size headphone is that they do not come with the carrying case previously mentioned. Now that the components of the BeCalm system have been identified, let's take a look at how to use it. Typically, the first thing you do when you receive your BeCalm system is you're going to want to charge it to make sure the battery is at a full charge level. To charge the system, simply take the player with its battery charging port here. The USB cable has two ends, a small end and a large end. Plug the smaller of the two ends into the MP3 player as such, and take the larger of the two ends and plug that in to the USB port on your computer. For those of you unfamiliar with a USB port on the computer, it looks like this right here. To plug it in, simply insert as such. While your computer is on, the battery will be charging. Now let's turn the player on and understand the functionality of the device. We will unplug it from the charging cable and turn on. You will turn on the audio player by sliding the power bar on the right hand side momentarily and releasing. I will also go ahead and plug in the headphones for this demonstration, and we're using the U-sized GP headphones. When the player is on, well, there's one most important thing to point out about the player is that it goes into a sleep mode very quickly. So when it does that, simply press the center button of the disc and it will reactivate the screen. The player has a couple key components: the center disc, which is its primary functionality tool, and then also the power bar on the side. You will see a few different media options listed on the listing here: music, photo, video, etc. To scroll through those options, simply press the down location on the center disc to go through the options. Down is down and up is up. For this demonstration, we will access the audio files under the music location, so we highlight the music, click the middle button. Underneath this option, there's various means to get to the audio files that are listed on the player. In this case, we will use the albums as an example, highlight albums, click the middle button, and it highlights the only album preloaded on the player right now, which is AudioSedation. We press the middle button again. Now we see displayed the 4 audio tracks that are on the player: Spring Forest, Summer Forest, Spring Rain, Tropical Beach, and Sunday Drive. To access the file, we will simply highlight the one we want. Let's do Spring Rain, push the center button, and now the file is playing. You could hear the music playing through the headphones. So now, if you want to change the audio files, simply either advance it forward or backward using locations on the center disk. As such, we will transfer it to the next file forward, Tropical Beach. As well as if we want to increase or decrease the volume levels, we use the center pad. To increase the volume, we push up. You can see the bar increasing as we do that. Or to decrease the volume, we push the bottom as well. When you're done using the Be Calm audio system, to turn it off, simply pull it out on the slide bar, hold for 5 seconds, release, and the player will shut down accordingly. In addition to the preloaded AudioSedation tracks, other media is available to be loaded onto the player, such as your personal music, photos, etc. One precaution is to make sure to not inadvertently delete the audio tracks that have been preloaded onto the player. The simplest way to avoid doing this is to keep the audio tracks independent of anything else that you load and create your own albums and storage locations on the player. Again, we thank you for your interest in Be Calm products, and please visit our website at www.be-calmsound.com for more information. Thank you.